Grateful Wednesday, everyone. It's September 18, 2024 and it's a beautiful Wednesday morning. So let's give thanks for all the blessings na dumating sa buhay natin at mga blessings na darating pa din po kasama ang mga pagsubok, mga trials and challenges ng buhay natin which makes our life more beautiful, wonderful, and exciting, syempre. Huwag natin kalimutan din yung mga taong tumulong sa atin during our trials at syempre doon sa mga taong nakikimarites lang sa buhay natin. Shout out to kay Glenda, kay Glensno at kay Pucci, kay Margie Cranes, Cecil Bores, Mamalu, Luis and Susen, Janet Banag, Donaldi Calvadores ng Malaybalay City, Bukidnon, Henry Carly, Mandana Medina ng Cagayan de Oro City, Melody Acosta, Joey Moreno, Gigi Orejenes, Joel Pistolante, James and Raymond Di Pamente, and Ricky Alisna. Ayun. Boss, morning boss. Kina Jima David, Inday Araso, Angie Sarmiento, Ruby Cortez, Elizabeth Guevara, Angel Inario, Mabel Andres, Elizar Torres, Rachel Pastolero, at kay Eds Melov. Ripples of the day natin po is, only when you are thankful for your trials shall you understand them and learn its lessons. Then, you shall be ready for the blessings it brings. So keep that in mind po. Thank you for following, liking, sharing, and subscribing to these videos. Good morning and have a blessed Wednesday, everyone.